Hey, welcome back to the Sawmill, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we're going to continue this project of getting this lumber milled up. And I have a 12-foot white oak on the mill today, and it's going to yield. It's going to yield close to an 8-inch cant, between 7.5 to 8-inch cant. So I'm going to shoot for. I was going to look at these, but I'm only going to get 1 or 2 2x8s. I was going to look at a 2x8 out of 12 because this is a 12-foot log. That's the only one I have that's 12 foot out there. But I'm only going to get 1 or 2 2x8s out of it, and I need 11. So I'm going to have to cut a couple of stems for that. So I think I'm going to go for, I need 4 more of these 4x4s by 10s. So they'll just be 2 foot longer. There's no more 12-foot stuff here. So I'm going to go ahead and get these 4 more 4x4s out of there. So let's get this going. Got everything fired up. But before we do get going, I'm going to trim my dust chute. Cut that wire. I think so far, for the most part, I've been happy with this dust chute. Okay, the battery had the trickle charger on it. Somebody asked me how many days I can go. I've gone 3-4 days without charging this battery without any noticeable loss of speed. All right, choke. I wasn't able to get the 4x4s. So I'm going to get this out of this log. Yeah, that other log was just a little too small. The project I'm using that on, I couldn't have any waning. So I made the 3x3s for the pergola. All right, so what do I need? So I'm going to make these 4x4s. Maybe I can get a couple of, maybe 1 2x8 out of that. Okay, same side. One of you suggested rotating this. I agree. I need to do that. lot of tension in that log. Wow. That's going to do it for this video, guys. We're coming along. We still have 1, 2, 3 more of the oaks to cut, the hardwood. And then we'll get working on this side. So, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you at the mill next time, guys. Have a great day.